your people. If you do not take care of Hindus today, tomorrow there will be no Hindus in Bangladesh. We are vanished from Afghanistan. We are vanished from Pakistan. This is the high time. If we are not saved now, we will be vanished from Bangladesh as well.
Stop genociding Hindus! Hindu life! Hindu life! Hindu life! Hindu life! Hindu life!
The people of Bangladesh needs to stay back in their own homeland. They are not invaders. They are not Britishers. They are the son of the soil of that land.
Hindu genocide! Stop Hindu genocide!
What is happening today in Bangladesh? Being a Bangladeshi origin, my heart goes out to them. So this needs to be stopped. We are vanished from Afghanistan. We are vanished from Pakistan. This is the high time. If we are not saved now, we will be vanished from Bangladesh as well. This was our land. Our 14th generation was born over there. The people of Bangladesh needs to stay back in their own homeland. They are not invaders. They are not Britishers. They are the son of the soil of that land. They needs to be protected. Their rights needs to be protected. And they should be saved in their own home country. And stop killing them. Stop assaulting their women. Stop snatching out their jobs. Stop taking away their lands, their cows, their small cattle. Stop poisoning their pond where they do some, fishing business. Please stop doing that. This thing is happening for years and years, and you know it. In front of your eyes, this thing happen. Please take care of your people. If you do not take care of Hindus today, tomorrow there will be no Hindus in Bangladesh.
What's happening is in Bangladesh, they're genociding Hindus, they're assaulting our women, they're raping our children, they're doing whatever they can because the Hindus are in minority and they're trying to overrun the Hindu minorities. That's what they have done in Pakistan, they have done in Afghanistan, now they're trying to do in Bangladesh. We are here to support our brothers and sisters all over the world to unite and show our concern.
Today is December 10th, 2024. Today is also a World Human Rights Day. And we, as a united Canadian Hindus, have been gathered here as a protest in front of Bangladesh Consulate in Toronto, Canada. We are protesting because what we have seen, what's going on in Bangladesh since August 3, 2024. We want Bangladesh to stop killing minorities. We want Bangladesh to stop killing Hindus, stop burning worship places, stop raping women, abducting women, and we want peace in Bangladesh.
Community पे पिछले 3 महीने से we are looking like this continued genocide happen is the worst in the history of any community. Not a single government, I am saying not a single government including Canadian government taking any action to show the solidarity against this genocide. And if you see how many Hindus in Bangladesh is almost equal to Canadian total population or the many other country in Europe, and this is not supposed to be happen with any community.
Toronto are urging the United Nations to take strict action against the unit government whose intention is to eliminate Hindus in Bangladesh. All Canadian Hindus are standing side by side with solidarity with our Bangladeshi Hindus and all the minorities, because in Bangladesh not only the Hindus are being eliminated but all the minorities are being eliminated by this government.